Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association with Not Tutorial. Today we are continuing with T with its 50 intermediate words. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Tactful, chatur, kushal. He gave a tactful response to avoid conflict. Tangible, ठोस, स्पर्शनीय. The evidence was tangible and undeniable. Tardy, देर से आने वाला, सुस्त. He was tardy to school again today. Tattle, चुगली करना, शिकायत करना. Children often tattle on each other. Temperament, swabhav, prakriti. She has a calm temperament. Tenacity, dridhta, hut. His tenacity helped him succeed in his career. Tribute, Shraddhanjali, Samman. The award was a tribute to his dedication. Terminal, Antim, terminal. The bus stopped at the terminal station. Terrain, Bhubhag, Sthalroop. The terrain was rough and rocky. Textile, Vastra, Kapda. The company exports fine textiles worldwide. Theology, Dharm Shastra. He studied theology at the university. Therapeutic, Chikitsya, Arogyakari. Meditation has a therapeutic effect on the mind. Thorough, Purna, Sampurna. She conducted a thorough research on the topic. Threshold, Dahliz, Seema. She stood on the threshold of the house. Thrifty, Mit Vyayi, Kifayati. My grandmother is very thrifty with money. Darpok, timid. Darpok, Sankochi. He was too timid to speak in public. Tolerant, Sahishnu, Udar. A tolerant society respects all religions. Torrid, Tapt, ya Garam. The desert was has a torrid climate. Tranquil, Shant, ya Nirmal. The lake looked tranquil at sunset. Transcend, Par karna, Atikraman karna. His wisdom transcends his age. Transit, Par Gaman, Yatayat. The goods are in transit to their destination. Treason, Deshdroh, Gaddari. He was arrested for treason. Trench, Khai ya Gaddha. Soldiers hid in the trench during battle. Trivial, Tuch, Mahatvaheen. Don't waste time on trivial matters. Troop, Sena, Tukdi. A troop of soldiers marched down the street. Tumultuous, Uthal Puthal Bhara, Ashant. The crowd gave a tumultuous welcome to the leader. Turbulent, Ashant, Ugr. The airplane experienced turbulent weather. Twinge, Chubhan, Tivr Dard. He felt a twinge of guilt after lying. Tyrant, Tanashaha, Atyachari. The people revolted against the tyrant. Twilight, Godhuli, Sandhya. The sky turned orange in the twilight. Taunt, Tana Marna, Chidhana. The bully taunted his classmates. Temper, Swabhav, ya Gussa. He lost his temper and shouted. Tension, Tanav, Khichav. There was a tension in the meeting. Tender-hearted, Dayalu, Bhavuk. She is a tender-hearted person. Tentative, Anishchit, Asthai. They made a tentative plan for the trip. Testament, Vasiyat Nama, Praman. His success is a testament to hard work. Thesis, Shodh Prabandh, Nibandh. He submitted his thesis on physics. Thorny, Kantila, Kathin. This is a thorny issue to solve. Katila. Thoroughfare, Mukhya Sadak, Rajmarg. The thoroughfare was crowded with vehicles. Timely, Samay par, Upyukt. His timely arrival saved the day. Trifling, Tuch, Mahatvaheen. He wasted time on trifling matters. Tapestry, Galicha, Buna Hua Chitra. The caste had beautiful tapestries on its wall. Tedium, Oob, Nirasta. The long lecture added to the tedium of the day. Turmoil, Uthal Puthal, Ashanti. The country was in turmoil after the elections. Tactician, Rannitikar, Chatur Vyakti. The general was a brilliant tactician in battle. Taciturn, Alp Bhashi, Chup Rehne Wala. He was a taciturn man, rarely engaging in conversations. Tandem, Samanvay, Anukram. The two scientists worked in tandem to complete the project. Tenure, Karyakal, Padasthapan. His tenure as the CEO was marked by growth. Testify, Gavahi Dena, Pramanit Karna. The witness testified against the accused. Tenuous, Kamzor, Asthir. The connection between the two events is tenuous. And that's that for today. I shall see you in the next one.